You ever felt that familiar knot in your stomach? The one that whispers, "Don't go." That's not a stop sign. It's the roar of potential, waiting for you to unleash it. Think of it like standing on the edge of a vast canyon, wanting to fly, but the parachute feels flimsy or non-existent. We've all been there, paralyzed by the chilling, "What if I fall?" or "What if I fail?" It's a universal struggle. But true courage isn't the absence of fear. It's taking that jump with the fear, much like Amelia Earhart taking off into the unknown. What dreams are silently suffocating inside you because you're waiting for permission to be brave? Remember, even the mightiest skyscraper started with a single daring blueprint, then one brick, then another, against all odds. That first courageous step, it's terrifying, but every step after that builds an unstoppable momentum that reshapes your world. Today, identify one small, fearless action you've been putting off. Now, go take it. Your breakthrough isn't just for you. It's a beacon, lighting the path for countless others who need to see courage in action. Stop waiting for courage to find you. Bathe the courage, and the path will not just appear. It will ignite beneath your feet.